give it a little tug. Hey, let me do that. There it is. A little tug in there. And there's a camera. The camera has clearance. Now there is an indentation here where you guys see it, but this is on the print. There's a lot of people building their own. You can set up your own. This is pretty, but I find this is probably one of the best ones because it actually goes with the whole system itself that you currently have. And then all you got to do is just click this in there, and that's pretty much it. So you can always reopen this one, and you can always clean it out. In fact, I need to clean it now that I touched it. All right, so if you guys can see, there's a little indentation here, and that's where this goes in there, right? So it's a little, it scrolls down this way, so it has that area where it's going to be looking at. So let me put you guys down here for now. Or not, this is probably one of the hardest things I had to do because I don't have access to the back. I had to do it no eyes on the back. So we'll plug it in. Goes to the first USB here. All right, plug it in. Make sure I didn't unplug everything. Now we're gonna check the settings on our printer. Right, let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna go into printer here. You see it now? It came up, so you can't click on it. So we're gonna actually go check it out on our system, see if it shows up, but it actually showed up in there. I just came into my system and we have that play button here, and we're gonna see if we have the camera. So let's go ahead and play it here. I hit that play button here. Play is just pretty much gonna, and there it is. We have access to the camera. It's all set up. The hardest thing was just installing and printing out the stuff. That's inconvenient. I wish they had everything all included in one, but overall, it looks good. Now I'm able to see what I'm going to print, and I'm going to go ahead and start sending my prints to my workstation. So we are going to print something large. One thing I forgot to mention, that we're testing out the light. I turn off all the lights in there, and it looks pretty good in there. I was surprised how it doesn't reach all the way to the back of the plate, just the front pretty much. Right now it's still heating up right now, but I can't see this end here. So you're only going to see pretty much a fraction of it, but the light, there it is. It's working, but it's not the brightest. It does the job.